Why write 5 lines of Python when one elegant line can do the same job? Let's talk about list comprehensions. A list comprehension is Python's concise way to create new lists from existing iterables in a single line of code. Instead of writing multiple lines with a for loop and append statements, you can transform data in one readable expression. It's one of Python's most beloved features for clean, efficient code. The basic syntax follows this pattern: open bracket, expression for item and iterable, close bracket. The expression is what you want to do with each item, and it's evaluated for every element in the iterable. For example, to square every number in a range, you'd write x times x for x in range 10. Simple and powerful. You can add conditional filtering by appending an if clause at the end. This lets you selectively include only items that meet certain criteria. For instance, to get only even squares, you'd add if x modulo 2 equals 0. The condition acts like a filter before the expression is evaluated. Compare the traditional approach with a comprehension. The loop version needs an empty list, a for statement, an if check, and an append call across multiple lines. The comprehension does all of this in one line. Same result, much cleaner code. This is why Python developers love comprehensions. List comprehensions transform iterables into lists with concise, readable syntax that replaces traditional loops. Master this pattern and your Python code will be cleaner and more Pythonic. Keep practicing. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.